Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set and enforce a policy. How do we ensure that all our managed clusters are compliant with standard policies? Take for example a large cluster with many users. These users are creating projects and deploying workload constantly. You may want to make sure every project has a limit range object configured. When the user does not specify the resource usage limits in the pod specification, you want to set default values so that these pods will not use up all your resources. Setting a limit policy will enforce compliance, and I'm showing you next how to define such a policy. Let us create a limit range policy. We don't want any of our pods to use in excess of this range. So let me just quickly show you how to do that, and then I'll show you the YAML files. First of all, I want to create the namespace. Oh, by the way, I could have put all these YAML together in one file and execute it all at once, but I just want to show you all these different things that you need to do. Next, I'm going to create the placement rules. Config. Try again. Then I'm going to create the limit range policy. Last but not least is to actually connect the placement rules with the limit range policy by using the config placement binding. Now let me go to show the policy. Go to govern risk. So this is the policy limit memory that we created. You can see that both the Openshift cluster as well as the hybrid cluster is compliant because we use the enforce action. And obviously, if it's called like a conform, there's no violation. I just showed you how to set and enforce a very simple limit range policy. There are other policies that you can set. For example, you can set a policy to monitor and warn you, say 60 days before certificates expire. This is assuming that your certificates are saved as secrets in various namespaces. I have a YAML file which does that in my GitHub repository. I'll put a link next to the video so that you can download it and have a play with it. In the next video, I'm going to show you the end-to-end visibility features of RHACM, including the overview dashboard, search features, and the visual web terminal. So stay tuned.